Hello all crochet lovers! This time I'm creating another Christmas ornament, a festive ball. I'll show how to crochet a circle, how to join all parts together. You'll choose for yourself whether to leave your ornament soft and flexible or make it firm with sharper lines. My hook is 3 millimeters. Make a magic ring and do 13 double crochets. Chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. Slip stitch into the third loop. Round 2. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. 2 double crochets into each stitch, starting from the second stitch. All in all, there are 25 stitches. Slip stitch into the third loop. Round 3. Chain 3. 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then 2 double crochets. One double crochet, 2 double crochets, and keep alternating till the end of the round. One double crochet into the first stitch. Totally there are 38 double crochets. By the way, you can enlarge the circle by adding extra rounds and your ball will be bigger. You can finish the round the way I show or any other convenient method. Don't pay much attention to the knots, they will be inside the ornament and they won't be seen. We need 8 such circles. Here they are. Take 2 circles, put them together with the back side inward and make 19 single crochets, joining 2 circles together. Chain 1 counts as the first single crochet. Here are 19 single crochets. Chain 1 and fasten off the yarn. Then hide the tails. Just be on the safe side. Before attaching the next circle, I always count the rest of stitches. There should be 19 stitches. Take another circle and do 19 single crochets. Keep on adding all your circles. Make final 19 single crochets. Now just run the yarn along the edge. I do it twice. Pull it together. Make a knot. Repeat the same on the other side. And weave in the ends. And here is a soft and flexible ball. Just fix the sides when needed. You can crumple, throw, wash this soft crochet ball and it can stay soft. It holds its shape and you can always adjust the sides, and that's its advantage. Or you can make it more strict and shaped. I cut semicircles according to the circle diameter. This gives the ball extra firmness and sharper lines, but then it can be deformed, so as cardboard might bend. For easier way to insert semicircles, I crocheted half of the round. And finish the round after filling all the sides. Then I sew 2 poles as I've shown before. If you try this Christmas ball, which type of it will you make for yourself? Let me know in the comments. These festive Christmas ornaments became part of my Christmas collection, which I named Crochet Fairy Tales. And these crochet mushrooms are from this collection. Tutorial right here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet ideas.